English to Spanish. Can.
Poder.
Quick, fun lesson. Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey you. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo, your fun path to Spanish. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources and extras. Today you'll master can in Spanish with
Poder.
your learning goal. Say can, I can, you can, he can, she can, it can, we can, you can. Plural, they can, fast and confidently. Warm-up joke. A soda can says, I can. Spanish replies,
Puedo.
quote. Forms in 60 seconds.
Poder.
Power. You'll hear English first, then the Spanish form. Repeat aloud and do it with a grin. Can. Base verb.
Poder.
I can.
Puedo.
You can, singular.
Puedes.
He can.
Él puede.
She can.
Ella puede.
It can.
Puede.
We can.
Podemos.
You can, plural, Spain.
Podéis.
They can.
Ellos pueden.
Mini mnemonic. Need to do more? Say.
Poder.
Open the door. Mini dialogues you can steal. Let's plug these into tiny conversations. Repeat the Spanish lines out loud. A. Can you help me? B. C.
Puedes.
Cantar conmigo. A. Is he coming? B. C.
Él puede.
Llegar a las 6. A. Will she try? B. Claro.
Ella puede.
Intentarlo. A. Can it wait? B.
Puede.
Esperar hasta mañana. A. Can we finish today? B. C.
Podemos.
Terminar si nos enfocamos. Coach to a group in Spain.
Podéis.
Ganar este partido. Fans chant.
Ellos pueden.
When the team takes the field. Call and response drill. I say English, you fire back in Spanish. Big voice, big confidence. I can, say.
Puedo.
You can, singular, say.
Puedes.
He can, say.
Él puede.
She can, say.
Ella puede.
It can, say.
Puede.
We can, say.
Podemos.
You can, plural, Spain, say.
Podéis.
They can, say.
Ellos pueden.
Culture tip.
Sí se puede.
A quick culture boost to lock in the meaning. Across Spanish-speaking communities, crowds chant.
Sí se puede.
Yes, it can be done, or, yes we can. Hear the root?
Puede.
Comes from.
Poder.
When you hear it, think green lights and open doors. Speed quiz. Answer fast. If you blank, smile and guess. Speed beats perfection. Spanish base verb for can?
Poder.
Translate. We can.
Podemos.
Translate. You can, plural, Spain.
Podéis.
Translate. She can.
Ella puede.
Translate. They can.
Ellos pueden.
Translate. He can.
Él puede.
Translate. It can.
Puede.
Translate. I can.
Puedo.
Translate. You can, singular.
Puedes.
Challenge round. Your turn. Build quick lines. Keep them short and bold. Say, I can help later.
Puedo.
Ayudar más tarde. Repeat twice. Say to a friend, you can do it.
Puedes.
Hacerlo. Big energy. Team talk. We can win today.
Podemos.
Ganar hoy. One more time. Cheer for a group. They can finish.
Ellos pueden.
Terminar. In Spain to your friends, you can come in.
Podéis.
Pasar. Wrap up and good vibes. You crushed the core forms of.
Poder.
Keep it playful and keep repeating. Quick recenter. Can, I can, you can, he can, she can, it can, we can, you can. Plural, they can. Now you've got Spanish for each. Thanks for listening. This episode is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more lessons, drills, and freebies. Practice daily, smile often, and remember.
Sí se puede.
See you next time.